Families, it's Dan Milan, principal here at Valor. We are exactly 1 week out from school, and here our teachers could not be any more excited, and I personally can't wait to get started. Ideally, we had an email coming out to you today at the end of the day asking you to sign up for a time on Wednesday and Thursday morning for 20-minute slots to meet with a teacher and have them walk you through the process of getting on the first day. That didn't happen due to some challenges, but it will be out first thing tomorrow morning. Promise. If you don't hear from us, make sure you reach out and let Mrs. Dubé know, or let one of us know, as something is wrong with the email system. So, tomorrow morning you will hear from us. Please sign up for a time on Wednesday or Thursday morning. If that doesn't work, you and I can get on, or we can get a group meeting together for anybody who couldn't make those times. Ideally, you have Chrome as well. That's the best browser, and a set of earbuds typically goes better, but you can do it with the microphone on the computer. Okay? Well, listen, again, we are so excited to get started, and you will be hearing from us first thing tomorrow morning, and we will talk to you soon.